Welcome back to Indicator Edge. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the most powerful free tools inside TradingView that I personally use every single day. Even if you're using the free version, you'll be surprised how much you can actually do. Let's start with some quick chart layout basics. TradingView gives you plenty of flexibility to customize your workspace. You can change time frames, switch between chart types, and apply your favorite indicators. If you use the same setup often, make sure to save your chart layout. That way, you won't lose your work every time you close the browser. Next, let's talk about the drawing and projection tools. These are some of the most underrated features for technical traders. You can draw simple trend lines, horizontal lines, and raise to mark support and resistance. The Fibonacci retracement and extension tools are excellent for identifying potential reversal zones and targets. The bars pattern tool is great if you want to clone previous price moves and project them forward. You can also use the path and prediction tools to plan your trade ideas visually. And don't forget the ruler tool, perfect for measuring price distance or counting bars. I personally use text boxes and rectangles to highlight key zones and annotate my analysis clearly. Now, let's move to something a bit more advanced, the Pine Editor. Even on the free plan, you can write or paste simple scripts to customize your charts. For example, you can combine basic indicators like EMA and RSI into one script, compile it, and add it to your chart with just a few clicks. You can also grab community scripts, make small edits, and use them for your own personal trading. The best part is if you get errors, you can simply copy the error message, paste it into ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini, and fix it in seconds. Another powerful section that often gets ignored is the trading panel. This is where you can connect your broker account if TradingView supports it in your region. Or you can use paper trading to practice strategies without risking real money. You can place trades, manage orders, and get a feel for execution, all from inside the chart. If you're serious about improving, this is a great way to journal and test your setups in real time. All these tools are 100% free to use, and once you get comfortable with them, your charting will become much faster and more efficient. Try picking 1 or 2 new tools this week and make them part of your daily routine. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments which tool you're going to master first. And in the next episode, we'll break down the different types of moving averages, what they are, when to use each one, and how to actually apply them in your trading.